So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and moisturize the skin with the Tao Vitamin C Cream. So you're going to go ahead and apply the moisturizer. It's best to start in the middle of the skin since that's where you have the most oil throughout the day. So I'm actually using the Estee Lauder BB cream just for her skin type. She has really dry skin right now. So go ahead and just blend that out so it's a really nice even application. For the concealer, I'm using the Dermacolor palette. So this one's super nice to have because there's very many different shades. So if you're the on-the-go makeup artist, it's really nice to have everything in one palette. Now you're going to go ahead and blend all that concealer out. You can use one of the beauty blenders, or I'm using this brush that's very compacted and it really helps to blend everything out. So this is one of my favorite go-to brushes. It's from Morphe. Now I'm using a loose powder and applying the powder everywhere on the highlight areas and just lightly apply it on. I like to use a small brush to go underneath the eyes since that's just a very sensitive area and it can be hard to get to. So now we're going to go ahead and apply the contour cream. So this one is from Maybelline, so it's super nice. You're going to go ahead and apply that to all of the contour areas. So now you're going to go ahead and blend all that color out and make sure you blend upwards. It really helps so it looks flawlessly. So now you're going to go ahead and apply this contour powder to set the cream. For blush, I'm using the BH Cosmetics palette, so you're going to go ahead and apply that to the apples of the cheeks. Really make sure to blend that upwards so it looks more of a natural blush than caked on. So now you're going to go ahead and apply this highlighter to all of the highlight areas of the face. So go ahead and assess your client's brows. She has a really nice shape already, so I'm just going to go in and just fill in her natural shape. Now one of my favorite parts about brows is you should be able to clean them up underneath with a concealer. So right now I'm just going to clean up the brow with this concealer and I'm dragging it down towards the lid so it creates a really nice base, almost like a primer. Using this neutral brown shade, I'm going to go ahead and apply that to the crease along with the mauve color. So I'm going to go ahead and just apply that to the crease and just to deepen it and make it a really nice transition color. Now you're going to use the color Sable and Espresso and apply it to the outer corners of the eyelids, so the outer V, and you're going to go ahead and blend inwards. So when you blend inwards, it helps to make sure that you keep the product towards the inner eye so it doesn't become really messy. Trust me, I learned this the hard way. Using the color Light Bronze from the Lorac PRO palette, just go ahead and apply that to the lid and also the inner eye corner and the brow highlight. It really helps to create that highlight and it draws attention to the eyes. Now using the same browns that we did before, Sable and Espresso, go ahead and do that on the lower lash line and blend it out so you create more depth to the eye and create more of a smoky effect. Now my client brought her own mascara, so I'm using the Covergirl Plumpify mascara, and something to keep in mind is that she does have lash extensions. For the lipstick, I'm going to go ahead and use the Lorac lipstick in the color Secret Agent. Now I'm applying some highlighter.